Well, as you see guys, this Trimoran is not that low poly, that first one. It's part of my project that you will see in future, but I can wait to share with you, so here we are. I want to show you some very cool tricks to animate. So, let's make a particle system to simulate splashing waves. At first we should model an emitter, choose plane end, extrude it alongside of Trimoran where waves meet with body of Trimoran. Or where you need it. When I finished first part 1, just duplicate it and turn around Z-axis 180 degrees. Then again duplicate. Useful trick when you're choosing upper vertices, press Z0 to align them by Z-axis. Then make middle part. In process, don't forget apply scale. Then choose C4 vertices and press F to fill it with face. Next we should join 3 parts. Join them and apply scale. Now we adding particle system. And adding icosphere, it will be instance for bubbles. Set number of particles pretty high. And set negative starting frame, we need to have bubbles and the start. Lifetime of particles set to 30. Now we need to direct the particles along the water, which we will also do later. So at the velocity set normals at 1.5, y-axis to 6. In render we changing halo to object and choosing our icosphere that we did earlier. Turning off showing emitter so that he doesn't bother us. Turning on children's and switching to simple. At field weight we should make gravity lower, and I found out that we need to raise lifetime of particles and number of particles. Number of particles in render we set even to viewport, to see result. Play with radius and roundness to reach your visual goal. Gravity almost turned off. Check framing range, take your time. And when you're ready you can bake your simulation. Now I will show you how to animate waving on sails. It was subdivided already. Adding wind and setting it to bottom of sail. At first we choosing vertices that will not move. By holding Alt left click, then use checkers deselect. Very useful thing as you see. Don't forget to push assign. Now we should go to first frame and go to physical properties. Turning on cloth and choosing cut ton in list. Check framing range. Set vertex group from sail to pin group. Going down and here you can set frames and collision settings, and we don't need self collision cause sail is fixed. Now here is a place where magic happens. We adding wind setting power pretty height like 3000 and going to graph editor. And adding noise modifier to x-axis. Setting scale to 12 and strength to 10, to make big interval in movement. As you see it's pretty real, but you can add turbulence or simple force. Now we have this. So here is third part, let's do the ocean. Adding plane, scale it up. Subdivide it, more you subdivide it more realistic it will be. Now we adding displacement modifier. Adding texture cloud. Changing direction to z-axis and balancing strength. Applying scale, shade smooth. To make waves we turning on dynamic paint, choosing canvas, setting surface to waves. And here we have bunch of settings to control this effect. Time scale to 0.3. Speed to 0.3. Damping to 0.1. Set frame range. At this point we adding imitators of Trimoran body. We doing this because Trimoran body have more faces than cube. It will be easier to calculate geometry when we do this. Also it gives us more control in waves forms. Join our cubes. Again, don't forget to apply scale. Going to physical properties, turning on dynamic paint, switching to brush and raise factor to 2. As sail is baked, it don't want to move, so I will turn it off. Setting up 2 keyframes. Connecting particles to body, and now it looks like depth of waves is not a knot. But when we add some material just to understand, we're gonna see that it looks not so bad. Increase number of children particles, hide emitter, hide cubes, and check to hide them in render. Also, I placed cubes a little lower. Now it's not bad at all. Well, thank you for your attention. As I said, take your time. Try different settings. Learn fast combination buttons. It will make your life easier. Watch after Blenderizm. I hope there will be much more. Goodbye and pray for Ukraine.